Ever found yourself wondering if the TD Bank you see south of the border is the same as the TD Canada Trust you might know up north? You're not alone. It's a question that pops up quite a bit, and honestly, it's easy to see why the similar names can cause some confusion. Think about it, both sport that familiar green logo and the TD moniker. It's natural to assume they're just different branches of the same massive financial institution, right? Well, let's dive into the details and clear up this common point of curiosity. To put it simply, while TD Bank and TD Canada Trust share a common parent company, they operate as separate entities in their respective countries. Think of it like siblings within a larger family. They share DNA, so to speak, but they lead their own independent lives. The parent company we're talking about is Toronto-Dominion Bank, headquartered right here in Canada. TD Canada Trust is the Canadian retail banking operation of this larger entity. It's the familiar face of TD for millions of Canadians, offering a wide range of personal and business banking services, from everyday checking and savings accounts to mortgages, loans, and investment products. Now, across the border in the United States, TD Bank operates as a separate U.S. national bank. It was formed through a series of mergers and acquisitions, most notably with Commerce Bancorp. While it carries the TD name and branding, it functions under U.S. banking regulations and caters to the specific needs of the American market. You'll find their branches primarily along the east coast of the United States. So, what does this mean for you? Well, if you're a TD Canada Trust customer in Canada, your accounts and services are managed within the Canadian framework. Similarly, if you bank with TD Bank in the U.S., your banking relationship is governed by U.S. regulations. You can't simply walk into a TD Bank branch in the U.S. and expect them to have direct access to your TD Canada Trust accounts, and vice versa. They are distinct financial institutions. However, because they are under the same Toronto-Dominion Bank umbrella, there are some connections. For instance, the overall financial strength and reputation of the parent company can indirectly benefit both entities. They also likely share some overarching corporate values and branding guidelines, which explains the visual similarities. Think of major global corporations with subsidiaries in different countries. While the local branches operate independently, they all ultimately report to the same head office. TD Bank and TD Canada Trust function in a similar way. Therefore, while the names are similar and the branding is consistent, it's crucial to understand that TD Bank and TD Canada Trust are not interchangeable. They are tailored to serve the specific regulatory and market demands of the United States and Canada, respectively. Knowing this distinction can save you potential confusion when managing your finances across borders. So, the next time you see a TD Bank on your travels or hear someone mention TD Canada Trust, you'll know that while they're related, they operate independently to serve their respective customer bases. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.